So 12th standard physics, volume 2, unit 6, ray optics, book back question. We are continuing answers explanation. Okay, so page number 48, 7th question. Correct. So when a biconvex lens of glass having refractive index 1.47 is dipped in a liquid, it act as a plain sheet of glass. This implies that the liquid must have the refractive index. So when a biconvex lens of a glass having refractive index 1.47 is dipped into a liquid, it acts as a plain sheet of a glass. It acts as a plain sheet of a glass. This implies that the liquid must have the refractive index. So in the page number 31, right? So in the 30, we have to see something to understand the question. So page number 30, lens maker's formula and lens equation, right? So in the topic, we see that this one is the biconvex lens, right? This one is a biconvex lens. We made that. So this one is a medium, one medium. This one is another medium. So N1, N2 is a refractive indexes of that material of the medium, correct? So maybe N1 is the air, N2 is the glass material. So just for understanding purpose, we are representing this diagram. Okay, so in that 31 page, we have the equation 1 by F is equal to N2 divided by N1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. R1, R2 are the radius of curvature of the focal center of curvature, right? So we see that clearly. So N1, N2 are the refractive indexes. So this was the problem actually to us, right? So that means N1 is one of the medium that is liquid. So biconvex lens means two convex lenses placed in the liquid. So this one is a liquid medium, refractive index of the something, and it has a refractive index of something. So the glass having the refractive index they are given to us, right? 1.47 something, right? So what they are asking is it act as a plain. So what they are asking 1.47 biconvex lens refractive index dipped into a liquid. It act as a plain sheet of a glass, that is normal. So they are asking it's a plain sheet of a glass. It is not act as a biconvex lens. It acts as a plain sheet of a glass. This implies that the liquid must have the refractive index because the refractive index of the glass they are given 1.47. Correct. So N, this value they are given. So what will be the refractive index? What should be the value of the refractive index of the liquid? The condition is the plain sheet of a glass. It acts as a if this biconvex lens act as a plain sheet of a glass means what is the refractive index of the liquid? Correct. So it may be greater than or less than. Also, what is the value? So when it is act as a plain sheet of glass means the N1 that is equal to N2. Right, that only act as if the rays falling into the liquid, it's straight to fall on that biconvex lens and travel to that another part. Right, it's continuously passing through the medium. That means the equal refractive index is only possible if the plain sheet of a glass. Right, if something more or less means it going to refraction going to happen. So the condition is the plain sheet of a glass means that implies the liquid must have the refractive index is equal to the refractive index. So the answer is equal to that of glass. The refractive index is equal to that of glass. That makes plain sheet of a glass. Okay, thank you.